And this is selecting customer name from customer table, right? We
Yes.
have two tables, right? Customer stores, customers table stores customer name, right? And transaction ID is coming from transaction table, right? And that's why I have put this customer transaction table as T and customers as C. Okay, I have put the alias. This is known as alias. Okay,
Okay.
so this is a short form of customer table, right? If I didn't use this C or T characters, I have to type the whole customer table here, name of the customer table here, or transaction, right? Customer transaction. It will not be understandable. So I'm using just short form of this transaction to name these tables, right? So yeah, and we are extracting customer name from customer table, transaction ID from transaction table,
Transition table.
debit
Debit
transaction
transaction.
from transaction table, right? Credit and
Okay.
balance,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Okay.
And this is another important part, right? We are extracting the information because select always retrieve the information, right? We discussed this data manipulation language lecture, right?
Hmm.
And we are joining this table through the help of primary
Transition
key and
and
foreign key,
foreign.
right?
Okay.
Right. So I
Uh,
told you that customer ID is a foreign key for transaction,
transition.
customer
Okay.
transaction table, right? And
Hmm.
customer ID is a primary key of customer table. So we are joining these two
Hmm.
keys, right, to
Hmm.
extract the information. Now, this is the condition where what type of information we want, any customer doing transaction between these
Okay.
values,
Two
right?
tables. Yes.
Now let's mm, execute this. See, you can see there are two customers, right? Here,
Hmm.
there are two customers who are doing transaction just below threshold. So these are only debit transaction. No, there are no credit transaction,
Okay. 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 Okay.
right? Understood?
Understand. Yes. Yes. Yes.
So we'll create another scenario or generate alerts for the transaction done above 1 million. Okay, so these are
Hmm.
the scenarios. These are the how rule based scenario are actually created in your AML solution system. Okay, this is as simple as that, right?
Okay. Okay. Uh,
So now let's, so we are trying to identify who has done high volume of transaction. Okay, so
hmm.
the same process here, I'll just type it out because the we have discussed the concept already. Customers, okay. From customers, the C and join customer transaction T, the same thing, right? Because we have only two tables here, right? And where T credit transaction is above, right? Okay, so we are just trying to identify who has done credit transaction above 1 million. Okay, so we'll
Okay.
just select this and execute this, right? So there is only one person, Amit Shah. Okay,
Hmm.
see now. So you have, I hope you have understood how this how the rule based scenarios are created in transaction monitoring system, right?
Hmm.
So
Yes.
now if you know these queries, okay,
Hmm.
how these are constructed in your SQL system, you can
Yes.
create your own query, or
Hmm.
you will have a general idea. Okay, okay, this,
Yes.
so this is how I should create a query in my or scenario in my system, and you can instruct your IT or let's say vendor to create this
Hmm.
kind of scenarios. So
Okay. Okay.
back when I was head ML safety of my bank, we
Yes.
used to actually give them SQL query, okay, to our
Okay. Okay.
vendors.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
you need to create a this kind of query in our system, because
Okay.
the vendors are actually they know the queries only, they don't know the logic, right?
Mm-hmm.
So like why you are creating these scenarios, right? And
Okay.
sometimes
Okay.
they do things like why you need this scenario, it's a lot of work, it is not, it cannot be done, right?
Mm-hmm.
Things. But
Okay.
when
Okay.
you just provide them with the query, now they don't
Uh-huh.
have any other option rather
Okay.
than to implement it.
Okay. 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 Okay.
So now you know the what happens behind the scenes, right? How these rule
Hmm.
based
Yes.
scenarios are created, so you can have a
Hmm.
meaningful discussion with vendor while creating those kind of scenarios.
It is
So
little
I
bit.
hope,
I have to practice for this, no, because it is
yeah,
little.
yeah, yeah, you can download this, download my SQL bench, okay, workbench,
Workbench and
right?
SQL. Yes.
So I will
Uh,
give this copy link address. Mm, okay. See, this is the installer, right? Just click on it, and it will direct you to the link, right? Just click on it, click on download. There will you the MySQL installer will be downloaded, and it will download all the required packages for you.
okay. Okay. Okay.
It's as simple as that. Before I explain this course, let me tell you who it's not for. If you are in AML compliance role simply because you were assigned there, or if you think it's just a job to pay the bills, then stop right now. This course is not for you. This course is for those with a real hunger for AML and financial crime. If you have the passion, the dedication, and the mindset to spend 4 or 5 years building a serious career in this field, then this is for you. If you believe AML is more than just a job, it's a moral responsibility, then you are in the right place. For professionals like you, I am offering to teach advanced AML safety concepts alongside in demand data science skills like SQL, Power BI, Tableau, and machine learning. Plus, you will gain expertise in the cutting edge areas cybersecurity, blockchain, and generative AI. This course will unlock doors of opportunity, boost your confidence in interviews, and help you land high paying jobs in top companies. If you are ready to push beyond your comfort zone and become not just a specialist but a true AML safety expert, then this is your chance. Only serious candidates WhatsApp me at the given number for a lifetime opportunity.